Hi everyone, it's Gayle. I am so sorry for the abrupt ending on the previous video. My alarm went off, which apparently shuts down the video, wouldn't you know? So I had to run and list my journals that I was listing today. And look at this, I left the pin off my glue and it's just a mess. So anyway, you're getting a part 1 and a part 2 with this today. Sorry about that. Jeez Louise. Okay, that's where we were. We were fiddling with this, weren't we? Okay, well, I think what I can do is I think I can just kind of maybe kind of tie this on here. Yeah. And then it just hangs down the side. Isn't that cute? Okay, it's going to be clunking on the on the glass a little bit, so there is that. Okay, so where we left off is we were doing that, and then I need something here for day 1. And I was wondering, Santa's a little bit too big. This is this wonderful, I think this goes sideways. Okay, so that's not going to work there. What am I going to put there, guys? I don't know. I do not know. I just need a happy little Christmas something for right there, don't I? See, everything's too long that I'm thinking of grabbing. Oh, I know. That can go there, can't it? I think it's just fine. Granted, it's slightly over this, but you know, it's a pocket tag is what it is. It's a darling tag. I think I'm just going to clip that right there is what I'm going to do. Because I got this before Christmas too, so that is like totally legal. I'm looking for, I know I have some, yep. Had some little pin, gosh, I can't talk. I'm all befuddled because I had to stop and run over to the computer, list those journals. Oh my good grief, I tell ya. You guys, sometimes I get, the harder I try, the behinder I get, or whatever they say, you know. Okay. So that is cute. However, I'm not happy with this because it's going to clunk on the glass all the time as we're trying to journal in here. So I'm going to take it off. I'm going to take it off. And I'm going to see if I can get it onto this thing. Like, if I slide that up, slide that down, slide this on, maybe. If I can get it apart. That's the hard thing with these. I don't have any fingernails, so that doesn't help me. And of course, the bow that I have on there is causing grief. Okay, I'm determined. I'm going to get this. I'm going to do it. Oh, almost. There. There it is. There it is. Okay. So I like that better. It doesn't clunk as much. And I think when I turn it over, it'll clunk a little bit, but that's okay. Clunking's okay. Okay, so we got day 1 done. I feel like it's done. I do. I'm looking at these things thinking, okay, I'm going to save these for a day when I don't have anything to put in my journal, you know, nothing to really journal about. Okay, so since we're on part 2 and we've been doing this, I feel like I need a little something down there. I also think, oh, look at that. That opens up. Isn't that fun? Well, I could put the 2 on there. So let me grab one thing. I will be right back. Talk amongst yourselves. I have my little list of people who won my 30,000 subby giveaway, and today is the 2nd, and we did that. So I might put that in. But what could we put there? I've got ribbons and things. That's kind of nice there, isn't it? Just to decorate up the page a little bit more, and it doesn't add any bulk really. So I think I might put that down there. Except I think I might go this way. Yeah, and just glue that down. Okay, and then I think I'll cut it off after I've glued it down. So let's use Fabri-Tac for this. Oh my gosh, you guys, running around doing that. I need a little sip of my sparkling water. This is my happy place. Thank you. Hopefully my Fabri-Tac was moving its way on down while I did that. Yeah, so got those little journals listed, so we'll get those off to whomever. I didn't even look at my phone. I just came right back to finish filming. So I'll do that and have a little work to do on my Patreon. I need to make a database. I don't see how I can email to everyone. I can, but I can't attach their gift. So I'm having to figure that out. So that's after this. After we do a little crafting in the old December daily, then I'm going to try and figure out how to do that. I think I might just have to do an Excel spreadsheet, put everybody's because one of the things that they get at the one level is digital, and I'm not really figuring out how to do that, so I need to okay, so that is in there. That is lovely. That's fun. Yes. Maybe some little stickers. I would like to have like 2 stickers with that, maybe. Oh, what did I do with those? Are they over here? Yep. I really need to have a little cleanup of my Christmas stuff just in order to keep going even. It's just kind of a crazy mess. I would like to have a few of these stickers on here. I love these. These remind me of my childhood because I remember my mom sticking these on my presents. I'm going to put that right down to the bottom. And I think I'll put this one somewhere. So do I want to put it there? Or do I want to put it up there? I think I like it up there better. Well, I have started out having lots of fun with my December daily. However, that was a little crazy, having my alarm go off in the middle of it. Okay, so that's good, right? Okay, so how many minutes are we in? I'm just going to try and make an hour out of this, and I think it's all going to be December daily today. We'll get on to the altered book though too. We will do that. We will do some of that too because that's so much fun. Okay, let me get my 2 cut out here. And look, it's green. Just like I planned it. Just like I planned it. And like I say, not a lot happened today, but I'm just thinking I'd like to put that list of people who won. Hopefully they all get a hold of me and give me their addresses and stuff. Okay, that's kind of fun. Really, that might be all I need to do. I could cut it off and put something Christmassy at the bottom, couldn't I? Another thing I was thinking of is, you know, somewhere over here in all of this mess, I have these little itty bitty doilies that I was thinking might be kind of fun to once in a while put them by a letter, you know, or I mean a number. Like just kind of go like that. Give it a little something. Maybe I need more than one. I don't know. First of all, I need to, I'm a bad fussy cutter, so I need to go around this with some black distress ink and cover up the white that I left there. Okay, so let's do that. I don't know. Maybe just right at the bottom. Oh, I like that. I like that better. Okay, let's get these onto here. First of all, I'm gonna put glue on that. Put it at the bottom of the 2. Maybe a little better than that. Oh, that's just kind of a little fun thing to add. And so then tomorrow, I think we'll do altered book because I have to wait for tomorrow to go through. It has to happen before I know what to journal. But like I say, I don't think anything exciting is going to happen the rest of the day. I'm just going to mail out journals, and I think I'm going to get my husband on making a spreadsheet so I can get things mailed out to the patrons. Oof. As usual, the doilies glop up the glue. Okay. And then I'm just gonna put that on like that. And well, maybe I should put something behind it. Oh, I know. How about a pretty piece of paper? Like what do I have? Like just the, you know, the very edges like that. Let's do that. Just kind of frame it out. I don't know. I feel sometimes like I'm a better journal maker than I am a journaler. I mean, I do fine when it's writing. I'm not as good at, what would you call this? Kind of like memory keeping, I guess. I feel like I'm not as good at it as some that I have watched on good old YouTube. So, did you guys see that the YouTube was on 60 Minutes last Sunday? Yeah. It wasn't the COPPA stuff, though. It was, what was it? Oh, it was, you know, the bad things that are on YouTube. And how are they going to control that and that kind of stuff. And it was interesting because it was the head of YouTube, which her story is interesting. Apparently, she had an apartment in her house or something, or her garage or something. And she had wanted to rent it out. And she rented it out to a couple of students who knew, founders of Google. So, yeah, when Google bought YouTube, they made her the CEO, and sounds like she's done some really good things. I think it's just a interesting tightrope that they have to walk between free speech and, you know, really, what would you say, really detrimental sort of content, you know. So it's a big job. She has a big girl job, she does. So anyways, that was interesting. My daughter said, Mom, YouTube's going to be on 60 Minutes. See, you better see what it's about. And that's what it was. Okay, so maybe a pretty little something from my pal Jen at Dreams, etc. That's cute. That looks cute with that. Oh, let's put that on there. Kind of fun to use some of it for my own journal instead of all the using it on journals that I'm selling. Yeah, so anyway, they had some tough questions for her. I thought she handled herself very nicely. You know, they're only human too. They can only do what they can do, but oh boy, I had no idea that some of the content was as bad as it is, but there we go. Put that there. Okay, and so then maybe this will be the 3rd of December. I don't know. There's a possibility that I could do 2 years in here. One in this one and one in this one. I think that's a distinct possibility. Anyway, I think that kind of does it. How we doing time-wise? Yeah, it's a little bit shorter, but the two of them together make a pretty good size video for today. So thanks everybody so much for watching. Sorry for the difficulty on the last video, but I'll just upload them both the same day and they'll be part 1 and part 2. So thanks everybody. We'll see you in the next video. Have a grateful day. Bye-bye.